What's up guys, in this video I'm going to show you guys how to add your payment information into your Google AdSense. Okay, so without any waste of our time, let's get started. Okay, so you go to zoom out your screen, that is if you're using a mobile phone just like me. So you go to click on these three lines here and then click on payments. Okay, payment info, click on it and then it will take you right over here. Okay, so the next thing you want to do is to scroll down. Okay, scroll down and then click on add payment method. Okay, so here you have two options: add new wire transfer details, and then second is add new check details. But I'm not gonna be talking about add new check details because I don't even have to talk about it. It's not really necessary. Okay, I'll click on the first option that says add new wire transfer details. Alright, so it will take you right over here. Okay, so here you go to see the option for beneficiary ID, and of which it is optional, so it is not compulsory to add it, so leave it. So the next step is to add the name on bank account, that is your name in your bank account. Don't make a mistake. Your first name should remain your first name, your middle name should remain your middle name, and your surname should remain your surname. Arrange it exactly the way it is in your bank account. Okay, so after adding your bank name, okay, after adding the name on your bank account, then the next is to add in your bank name. Okay, I use Zenith Bank, so I'll add Zenith Bank PLC. Okay, so after you add in the name, your bank name, okay, you add your Swift BIC. This is where people get confused. Swift BIC belongs to the bank, not to you. Okay, but you can find the Swift BIC in your browser. You can find them in the internet. Okay, you can just minimize and then come over to your browser. Okay, open up your browser and then you see I already made a research for First Bank Swift code. Okay, that is the same thing you're going to do. So this is First Bank Swift code, this is it. So let me go for Zenith Bank Swift code. Zenith Bank Swift code. Alright, here is Zenith Bank Swift code, but I will remove the 013 because the 013 indicates the bank branch. Okay, but this is the general Zenith Bank Swift code. Okay, so I'll copy the Swift code and then I'll put it here. All right, so the next thing to do is to add in your account number. So after that, you have to retype your account number. So after adding your account number, the next thing is to make sure this set as primary payment method is tick. All right, so make sure you leave it like this, and then the next thing you want to do is to click on save, and that is all. Okay, don't make a mistake. I said Swift BIC, you can find them in the internet. Okay, so just go to your browser and then search for your bank name and then type in Swift code for your bank name. All right, and then it will show you. Then you copy it and paste it right over here. All right, so after that you click on save. Okay, so that is it for today. If there is any question, you can drop that in the comment section and then I will answer every question. Okay guys, peace out.